In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a fake Telegram account with virtual number. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So if you want to create a fake Telegram account using a virtual number, then what you have to do is to open your internet browser and in the search bar type TEMPSMSS, click on search. Now if you scroll down, you will see some country flags. These are the countries of which you can use the fake virtual number to create your Telegram account. So select any one country and click on this free country name number option. Scroll down again. These are the virtual numbers that you can use to create your fake Telegram account. So select anyone and click on this receive SMS option. Now what you have to do is to click on this copy option right next to the phone number. Once this phone number is copied, all you have to do is to go to your Telegram and paste the phone number there. After that, Telegram will ask you to enter the OTP code that will be sent to this virtual number. So in order to get that code, you need to come back to this website, scroll down and click on this refresh to view latest SMS option. And right below this refresh to view latest SMS option, you will receive your OTP code. Once you have received the OTP code, copy it and then paste that code on Telegram. And after that, your Telegram account will be created with a virtual phone number. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.